Hi, this is Sana Arif. Title of my video is Exploring Genetic Players of Cotton Leaf Cull Disease. Cotton is one of Pakistan's major cash crop known as king cotton and white gold. Accounts 60% of foreign exchange earnings, but cotton leaf cull disease has caused major economic loss, reduces cotton yield by 50 to 70%. Unfortunately, viral genome is too complex and viral strain is still evolving, and sequencing is not that well established. That's why exploring genetic players of cotton leaf cull disease is important. Three major key players are Gossypium, Bemisia tabaci, and Begoma virus. As name indicate, it causes curling of the leaves and enlargement of the veins. Any infectious disease is the result of interaction of the genes. Same in this case. It is the interaction of the genes of the vector and the virus and the plant. Vector Bemisia tabaci, virus Begoma virus, and plant is cotton or called Gossypium. In defense, there are also genes that are involved that cause resistance or innate immunity in cotton plant. Begoma viruses have complex genomic composition and viral strain is still evolving. That's why of great importance. It could be bipartite having two genomic component DNA and DNA B, or monopartite having single genomic component DNA A. In addition, they have also helper molecules that are of non-viral origin called satellite-like molecules. These satellite-like molecules increase the virulence. After data mining, I have gotten three main articles related to my research. In all these three articles, they have used three different plants: Gossypium arboreum, Gossypium hirsutum, and Accession Max 7. In these three, they have used similar methodology: RNA isolation, sequencing, data analysis, and then functional innovation. What they did in this is, in first one article they have used susceptible Gossypium hirsutum and resistant Gossypium arboreum, and then used the grafting cycle method. In the second one, they have used whitefly mediated transformation. In the third one, they have used Max 7 that is also reported for their resistance. They have used the same methodology to get the list of differentially expressed genes that might have role in cotton leaf cull virus infestation. I am going to use all these three Gossypium species to use those DEGs and use the same methodology that they have adopted to do a comparative analysis on these differentially expressed genes. I will grow both experimental and control groups of Gossypium hirsutum, arboreum, and Max 7 to get symptomatic and asymptomatic leaves. Then after RNA extraction, I will do qRT-PCR and expression profiling of those DEGs to get our data validation. In silico analysis, I will use three main software: BLASTIGO, Cobas, WGCNA. BLASTIGO to get functional innovation, Cobas to get KEGG pathway innovation, WGCNA to get weighted gene co-expression network analysis. In BLAST, we will give faster sequence as query, and then it will run BLAST, mapping innovation, interpro scanning, and then merging the results and give us graph, geosmin, and charts. As you can see here, all these our queries are being mapped, annotated, blasted, and interpro scanned. You can export result as you like. You can export it as faster sequence, interpro scan result, mapping result, or annotate description result. By KEGG pathway analysis, you will by Cobas you will get KEGG pathways like this. In KEGG pathways, you will get to know that these DEGs are involved in these specific pathway that might have role in disease induction. By WGCNA, you will get hub genes that might have role in disease induction. Again, expected outcomes are identification and validation of genes associated with cotton leaf cull disease. Functional innovation will help in identifying genes pathway and their functional roles. Network constructed WGCNA will indicate hub genes which might have a role in the defense response of cotton. After comparative analysis of gene, what I will get genetic players of innate immunity against cotton leaf cull disease, means those genes that are present within the cotton genome. My supervisor is Dr. Mahmood Ahmed. My registration number is 2019 UN. Thanks for your time.